Hello, good morning everyone guys. And yesterday we were traveled around 260 kilometers and let's make it zero again and let's warm up the engine first. Yes. And the fuel status is 21.1. Good, yeah. Even though we have come through those hairpin curves, it's giving me around 21.1 kmpl, which is actually pretty good now. And oil temperature is literally zero. Good to go. And we stayed here in KolliHills the last night. The resort name is RJ Grand, which is pretty decent. Okay, not that great, okay, but it's the best one you can find here. And today we are going for a small sightseeing. There's a temple here and waterfalls. I'm not sure whether the falls is good or not, but let's take a visit and come back quickly. You see these rice fields here? I think they'll start plantation now. These are the rice fields here. Climate around here is so cool and pleasant. The last night we have come here by 4 p.m. and all, and by the 5 o'clock it was a pitch dark. The full area is covered with the fog, and took a nice time lapse there. It's a weekend getaway place, I can say, for the bikers especially. Come here, aram karo, next day uto, jao. Perfect for 2 days, a one night stay. Yeah. And here we are at the viewpoint. We don't want to continue further, like it's literally 1000 steps or 3 kilometers from here, so 3 hours trek, and we don't want to do that, and so we are returning back. కిందకి వెళ్ళు, ట్రెక్కింగ్ చేసుకురా.
ట్రెక్కింగ్ షూ కూడా లేదు,
తెచ్చుకో, రూమ్లో ఉన్నాయి కదా. And yes, we are done with KolliHills now. We are going to Kodaikanal, maybe a couple of days there. This KolliHills place is highly recommended only for weekend getaways. The climate is same as that of the hill stations. Of course it's also an hill station, but not a much crowded place. It's more like a village here. You can experience some decent climate here. And we are 250 kilometers away from Kodaikanal. Maybe it takes around 6 hours, because we have a guard section here, which will take around 1.5 hours from here. Now the time is 11:30 almost. By the time 5 or 6 we have to reach there, or else it will be dark. But along with your wife You cannot take much risks, so plan in advance. At least the stay and the destination. And I have to install a pin lock. When I ordered the helmet, I thought it is pin lock installed, but it is just pin lock ready helmet. First thing, I install a pin lock here. My helmet is fully covered with fog, so that I have to open a little bit to have a clear vision. And maybe descending is more tricky than ascending the hill. And yes, we have touched down. There are some small curves and all the 70 hairpin curves have been done. From here it will be a butter smooth ride. Hope so. So be careful with this bike when you're doing a pillion. Speed breakers might hurt you. One, you have to slightly jump it like this, or move too slowly. Like literally you have to be at 0, or else you'll get hit at the sump, oil sump, and again it will be a big curve and you have to face so many problems. Already I have taken a hit there, but nothing has been damaged. In case if your oil sump gets damaged, it will cost you around 11,000, I guess. Oil sump will cost you around 11,000, and labor charge, O charge, E charge, GST. So be careful, that's it. The problem with this mic is we have to continuously add batteries. We don't know when it will be drained up. Instantly the mic stops working due to the low power from the batteries. So I got a new mic. I have tested there, it was working fine, but yesterday it totally ruined up. Only 1 or 2 videos it was working. After that it was not working. So we have to continuously check whenever we take breaks that we are capturing a good audio or not. That's the only way we can do now. I don't know how others are doing this, but and we are just done 25 kilometers, but took us around 40 minutes. From here Kodaikanal is somewhere around 225 kilometers, and it is showing approximately 4 hours 43 minutes. Maybe we'll take that time including breaks, lunch break, snacks break, and tried shooting in Insta as well. We'll try to put some extra videos in the today's video. And talking about the roads in Tamil Nadu, they are pretty good. Even the villages have nice roads. And importantly, there are no speed breakers. There are 1 or 2, but exceptional, and they are too very smooth. And compared to my native, literally if I want to go to Hampi from my house, there will be approximately more or less 50 to 60 speed breakers. Comparing to that place, this is a much more better one. I think Voiza will not fog up now, so let's close this so that you can have better audio instead of wind noise, right? So we have a very strong winds here near to Dindigul, which is around 40-45 kilometers away. We thought we'll go to Dindigul and have a Dindigul biryani for the lunch, but time is already 2 p.m. We are still 40 kilometers away. Literally with these panniers and pillion ride, the winds are just pushing us away. You need to be extra careful and reduce the speed. Done with the lunch here. Almost we have stopped for 40 minutes. So let's go. It's another 110 kilometers from here. It will be easy if we reach before 6 and all, because after 6 it will be more dark. Chalo, let's go. Let's get up. Finally entered Kodaikanal route. It started drizzling now. Oh, nice mountain ranges, man. What a view. And here we are at the Kodaikanal hills. So again my wife started giving me instructions, drive slow, drive slow. See, there is a beautiful waterfalls there. As we are nearing the destination, climate changed a lot. I think we have seen two extremes. In the morning at KolliHills it was very cold, and as soon as we reached highways down, it became extreme hot, especially to the legs. And now again I can feel some cold breeze. By the time we reach at the top, maybe it will be same as like the KolliHills. Temperature will be too less there. At this moment temperature is good. I kind of enjoying it. Does my bike show temperature? No. It is not showing any temperatures here. 16 kilometers more. Come on, baby. As it's getting down, clouds are covering the area here. Oh yeah, 10 to 15 minutes late, I guess. It's okay. So if anyone is planning to come here, come before 5 o'clock. That would be much easier, because it's getting cold and cold and cold, and instantly it became dark within minutes, and still we have to search for rooms. I don't know whether how the availability is, since it's a Friday and there will be a weekend from tomorrow. Most of them will be planning to come here. See, that's the problem with if you are not having any pin locks. The fog is covering up my visor. I should have installed it before only. So that's a beautiful falls here. Let's take a break. If we get late, we won't get any rooms. Here this uncle is arranging his room. Maybe get some commission from them, but as we didn't book any rooms, we are depending on him. Okay, let's go. There are no lake view resorts, and if it's there also, it is charging like bomb 6,000 per night. So